Okay. I think it's recording. Okay, hold up. Alright. We're waiting!
Oh, really?
Yes!
Well, this is probably gonna see your parents. Okay, let's go. Oh, shoot, should I sit in my closet? Oh, well. 3, 4, 5, 6. God. I should have done this barefoot. Now that I rethink this. Oh, God. Can I take off this jacket? You know, after 13, this gets tiring.
Yeah.
Is it 15 now?
I'm not keeping track.
So that was 17. Why not? Am I?
Sure.
So happy it's cold outside.
What? What's this one? If we can make it back to the what? Oh, that's cute. That's cute.
Okay, halfway through.
Yeah, halfway through.
I got a dream question for you. Sam,
What's up?
what's Kirito's real name?
Who?
Kirito.
Kirigaya.
Huh?
Is it Kirigaya, right?
No, at least that's how you pronounce it.
Oh, you know, I forget. It's been a long time.
You know, how think I didn't actually even do a push-up? I assume this is 32, but I lost track when I started asking
Oh,
trivia
what's
questions.
this? You know, if you make something that means you Oh, yeah.
Cool. You know what? I saw 2 movies today.
Oh, yeah?
Because of the film festival here.
Yeah.
I'm only thinking the 2 guys were blind from eating popcorn. But to be fair, the second one is free. Because when you buy one, you get one free. Go Regal Bakeries. Not
Alright.
Regal Bakeries. Regal Entertainment. Alright. I know as soon as this is 40. So yet.
10 more.
I need
10
some
more.
concentration. Oh, work off that popcorn. Hell yeah.
This is funny.
Fine for you. I can't breathe on my side.
Oh, what's this? What's this? Oh, you're
I'm
done.
gonna do about that. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, this is a nice one.
Yeah, I'll just do 5 more. Let's assume that's it.
Okay.
Because I'm bad at math.
Well,
Kids, don't be a math.
CJ finally finished his 50 burpees. Or whatever, I don't know. Or half a burpee, I guess.
And also, I'm gonna introduce my lovely water moving project. Obviously, top notch in the automatic water pumping company. We have a bite pump right here with a carbon foam filter. Yes, I know. So beautiful, all taped up with silicone. Best you can buy. Except I'm not selling it. Sorry, ladies. Okay. Jesus, it smells bad. Whew. Is that the end of the recording?
You wanna stop it?
Yeah, I can't get rid of the smell of carbon in my room. So yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this carbon. Jeez, I should not put that near my computer.
Alright, bye guys. Well, I'll stop it.